Welcome to the Dr. Izzy's Medical Podcast channel.
Question: how do creatine kinase levels change in Duchenne muscular dystrophy? Answer: increase. Question: what amino acid is creatine derived from? Answer: arginine. Question: where in the cell is misfolded cystic fibrosis transmembrane conductance regulator retained? Answer: rough ER. Question: what vitamin is ascorbic acid? Answer: vitamin C. Question: which blotting procedure is used to identify DNA binding proteins? Answer: Southwestern blot. Question: how do beta-HCG levels change in the quad screen in Edwards syndrome, trisomy 18? Answer: decrease. Question: which metabolic shuttle is responsible for bringing flavin A to 9 dinucleotide electrons from glycolysis into the mitochondria? Answer: glycerol 3-phosphate shuttle. Question: which renal tubule can get damaged in fructose intolerance? Answer: proximal convoluted tubule. Question: what is the Hardy-Weinberg value for the carrier frequency of an autosomal recessive disease? Answer: 2pq. Question: which enzyme in the respiratory burst forms superoxide radicals from oxygen? Answer: nicotinamide 8-9 dinucleotide phosphate oxidase. Question: which enzyme deficiency can cause hyperchylomicronemia, type 1 familial dyslipidemia? Answer: lipoprotein lipase. Question: what is the genetic inheritance of tuberous sclerosis? Answer: AD. Question: where in the body does muscle weakness first appear in Duchenne muscular dystrophy? Answer: pelvic girdle. Question: on which chromosome is the von Hippel-Lindau tumor suppressor gene found? Answer: 3. Question: what is the treatment for familial hypercholesterolemia, type 2A familial dyslipidemia? Answer: mipomersen. Question: what do tetrahydrofolates carry when they are in their activated form? Answer: 1 carbon units. Question: what is the genetic inheritance of cystinuria? Answer: autosomal recessive. Question: what genetic bone disorder is also referred to as brittle bone disease? Answer: osteogenesis imperfecta. Question: which dyslipidemia is referred to as type 4 dyslipidemia? Answer: hypertriglyceridemia. Question: how does the activity of glycogen synthase change in glycogenesis with epinephrine regulation? Answer: decrease. Question: which enzyme involved with DNA replication elongates the lagging strand until it reaches the primer of the preceding fragment? Answer: DNA polymerase III. Question: on which chromosome is the NF1 gene found on? Answer: 17. Question: which major lysosomal storage disorder affects the reticuloendothelial system only? Answer: Gaucher. Question: how much net ATP is made via the glycerol 3-phosphate shuttle in aerobic metabolism at muscle? Answer: 30. Question: what are the two ketogenic amino acids? Answer: lysine, leucine. Question: in which direction is DNA and RNA synthesized? Answer: 5 to 3. Question: which protein kinase enzyme is involved in the regulation of glycogen phosphorylase and glycogen synthase by glucagon and epinephrine? Answer: protein kinase A. Question: what are the 3 branched chain amino acids? Answer: valine, leucine, isoleucine. Question: what is the genetic inheritance of the lysosomal storage disorder Fabry disease? Answer: X-linked recessive. Question: what is the genetic inheritance of Bruton agamoglobulinemia? Answer: XLR. Question: what is the genetic inheritance of Pompe disease? Answer: autosomal recessive. Question: what is the rate-limiting enzyme of fatty acid degradation? Answer: carnitine palmitoyltransferase 1. Question: what type of collagen is found in dentin? Answer: type 1. Question: which enzyme is affected in myotonic muscular dystrophy type 1? Answer: myotonin protein kinase. Question: what is the most lethal genetic disease in the Caucasian population? Answer: cystic fibrosis. Question: which lipoprotein functions to transport cholesterol from peripheral tissue to the liver? Answer: HDL. Question: which organelle in fibroblasts is the site of hydroxylation of specific proline and lysine residues in preprocollagen? Answer: rough ER. Question: which chromosome is implicated in both Prader-Willi and Angelman syndromes? Answer: chromosome 15. Question: which vesicular trafficking protein involved with receptor-mediated endocytosis? Answer: clathrin. Question: which gene is affected by CTG trinucleotide repeats in myotonic muscular dystrophy type 1? Answer: DMPK gene, causes abnormal expression of myotonin protein kinase and subsequent pathology. Question: how do beta-HCG levels change in the first trimester in Edwards syndrome? Answer: decrease. Question: which enzyme in the pyrimidine synthesis pathway converts ribonucleotides to deoxyribonucleotides? Answer: ribonucleotide reductase. Question: what type of DNA repair is mutated in ataxia-telangiectasia? Answer: non-homologous end joining repair. Question: how does regulation by AMP influence phosphofructokinase 1 activity? Answer: activation. Question: which enzyme in the ETC is inhibited by oligomycin? Answer: ATP synthase. Question: what type of nephrolithiasis is seen in vitamin C excess? Answer: calcium oxalate. Question: which nucleotide is made following the deamination of cytosine? Answer: uracil. Question: what type of genetic inheritance is transmitted exclusively through the mother? Answer: mitochondrial inheritance. Question: how does insulin influence HMG-CoA reductase activity and cholesterol synthesis? Answer: increase via induction. Question: what does NADH, NADPH and FADH2 carry when it is in its activated form? Answer: electrons. Question: which enzyme is deficient in Gaucher disease? Answer: glucocerebrositis, beta-glucosidase. Question: how does insulin influence phosphofructokinase 2 activity? Answer: activation, via inhibition of protein kinase A and subsequent dephosphorylation of PFK2. Question: what is the genetic inheritance of Tay-Sachs disease? Answer: autosomal recessive. Question: which end of the initial RNA transcript undergoes polyadenylation? Answer: 3. Question: what is the genetic inheritance of fructose intolerance? Answer: autosomal recessive. Question: what is the life expectancy of someone with Edwards syndrome trisomy 18? Answer: less than 1 year old. Question: what is the most common cause of death in Pompe disease? Answer: CHF or arrhythmia. Question: where in the cell does gluconeogenesis occur? Answer: both mitochondria and cytoplasm. Question: what chromosomal trisomy is found in Edwards syndrome? Answer: trisomy 18. Question: which apolipoprotein functions as the LDL receptor? Answer: ApoB100 and is found in all endogenously made lipoproteins from the liver. Question: which trinucleotide sequence is found at the 3' end of tRNA molecules in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes? Answer: CCA. Can carry amino acid. CCA is the amino acid acceptor site. There are also many chemically modified bases. Question: which lipoprotein functions as a repository for ApoA1? Answer: HDL. Question: in which direction does DNA polymerase III have exonuclease activity? Answer: 3 to 5. Question: what type of collagen is deficient in the vascular type of Ehlers-Danlos syndrome? Answer: type 3. Question: what amino acid is GABA derived from? Answer: glutamate. Question: how does the activity of acetyl-CoA carboxylase in fatty acid synthesis change with palmitoyl-CoA regulation? Answer: decrease. Question: what is the mechanism of action of phenylbutyrate in the treatment of hyperammonemia? Answer: binding to amino acids, leading to their excretion and decreased ammonia levels. Question: which disorder of galactose metabolism can lead to Escherichia coli sepsis in neonates? Answer: classic galactosemia. Question: which amino acid undergoes N-linked glycosylation in the rough ER? Answer: asparagine. Question: what is the genetic inheritance of Viscott-Taldrich syndrome? Answer: XLR. Question: what type of collagen is found in granulation tissue? Answer: type 3, as reticulin. Question: what enzyme is defective in essential fructosuria? Answer: fructokinase. Question: what are the mRNA stop codons? Answer: UGA, UAA, UAG. Question: which enzyme converts acetaldehyde into acetate in alcohol metabolism? Answer: acetaldehyde dehydrogenase. Question: which cofactor deficiency can cause phenylketonuria? Answer: tetrahydrobiopterin, BH4. Question: what is the rate-limiting enzyme in glycolysis? Answer: phosphofructokinase 1. Question: how does insulin influence glycogenolysis? Answer: inhibition.
Thank you for listening Dr. Izzy's medical podcast series.
If you want to support this project, please subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you.